Everyone, welcome to my channel phpguruacademy.com. Today I am going to take you on a quick tour of my brand new single page personal portfolio website. I want a digital home that was clean, modern and most importantly completely easy on the eyes. As you can see here on the home section, we lead with a bold title like what we are doing. We are a designer or a developer. Now one feature I absolutely love is the sticky navigation bar at the top. Notice how as I scroll it stays perfectly visible. That means potential clients or employers never have to hunt for a way to move around the site. Now this is my bio and I also have put a bio pic on the right hand side of the home page. Now below this bio introduction, I have placed my core contact details like location, email, phone and email website. Below this, I have also placed quick links like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram. As we move down into the About Me section, the layout switches to a light clean look that reduces eye strain. Here I share a bit about my background and my development philosophy. On the right, I have included a dedicated matrix to highlight my core technical strengths like high performance apps and SEO frameworks. It's an easy scannable way for a hiring manager to verify my skills instantly. Next, we move to the services section. Here I have provided what type of services I am providing, like full stack engineering, plugin and CMS ecosystems, digital strategy and SEO. Then the next section is the portfolio section. I here have shown my best projects like e-commerce analytics toolkit using clean, crisp card layouts with rich image previews. It gives my work a highly polished, professional presentation layer. Finally, we reach the contact hub. I wanted to make reaching out completely frictionless. There is a clean message intake from right here for quick inquiries, and on the left side I have listed my telephone and physical address next to an interactive embedded map so people can know exactly where my workplace is located. Once a user hits the bottom, this link blue button appears in the corner. One click and it smoothly glides you right back to the top of the page. This template is completely responsive, lightweight, and runs flawlessly on both desktop and mobile screens. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me. If you want to collaborate on a project or just want to download this template, so just click on the link given in description. Also, if you like the template, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.